Hello, I wanted to provide a navigation of the NSG 3040 Nursing Leadership and Management course. So the very first thing I want you to do is to get comfortable using these tabs on the left hand side of your screen. We have the home page. These are basically just shortcuts. So these will take you to different sections in the course. So the very first thing I want you to do is go click on the home page. This will take you to the welcome module. I would encourage you to watch the welcome video here of the NSG 3040 course. This will provide some course overviews and it will provide contact information for the instructor teaching the course. The Start Here button will take you to the welcome module. So the next thing you can do is watch the video of the course welcome. Some of these are different videos. So this is a video on how to submit instructions for the interactive modules. This one is a course alignment, and it shows you how the student learning outcomes align with the program learning outcomes. I'm going to encourage you to take some time and read that. We have a sneak peek into your capstone project. This is going to provide some information in your very final course over the large project that you will have. So take some time in to review that. The course navigation is a video, and that is just going to show you how to navigate the course. And then there's another video on how to submit the assignment. Once you have gotten through each of the welcome sections, I would encourage you then to review the syllabus, because before you can get into any of the modules, you will have to complete the syllabus quiz and achieve an 8 out of 10 on the syllabus quiz. Under the syllabus are library resources. This is going to provide some information on how to search the library. And then we also provide you with writing resources. And again, these are great things for you to take a look at. If we go back to the left-hand side of our course, if you scroll down, you'll go to grades. This is where you will see all of your grades for the semester. Okay. If we click on modules, that will take us back to where we started from. We'll look at the week 1. So we'll go under the prepare section to prepare week 1. This is going to provide you with a weekly overview of what we'll be doing in the course that week. It has your weekly objectives, the student learning outcomes, and the program learning outcomes. And this will show alignment throughout the week and throughout the course. For week 1, you have to look at the syllabus, review the syllabus. You have some reading assignments and some interactive module assignments that need to be completed. We're going to be reading and reviewing chapter 1, 2, and 3 of our books. Underneath your chapters are some optional reading assignments. These are great resources for you to review. Sometimes they'll help you answer your discussion posts. Sometimes they'll just be an additional resource maybe to make things clearer for you if you don't understand a concept. It tells you that you have to answer the introduction discussion post, and then you have to answer the discussion post question. You also have to complete an assignment, an assessment assignment, and then it encourages you to review the explore section and complete the self-reflection. If you click on next, that's just forward navigation in the module, or if you click on previous, that is a backwards navigation. In the Explore Week 1, this is a video. This is going to review chapters 1, 2, and 3 and provide you with some different information, help to explain any concepts that you don't understand. After we watch the video, there's a link to those optional reading assignments. And then this is your discussion post, which it's not due, so it's not open, but this is where you would find your introduction that you would submit of yourself, and then you would answer if you click on next, you will answer the next discussion post. And you can see that if you forward navigate, or you can click on the section underneath discussion board. Your assignments, you have an interactive module assignment. This is over chapters 1, 2, and 3. If you click on the blue writing here, this is a hyperlink, and that will take you to the section that you need to complete. There are pre-quizzes, some interactive videos, and then there's post-quizzes. And you will be required to submit the post-module quizzes on a Word document. And under the welcome section, there is a video that provides instructions on how to do that. If we click back through module, we'll also go back to week 1. Then you have another assignment. This is your strengths assignment. And again, you'll be submitting that. And there is a video under the welcome section on how to submit an assignment. And then you have your week 1 reflection assignment, which is due at the end of the week. If you have any questions on how to navigate the course, please let us know. You can email us or call us or text. Thank you for your time.